Hello friends, hope you're good and I have another topic of my video today is outdoor fire pits. So outdoor fire pits have become a popular addition to many homes and backyards, offering a warm and cozy space to gather with friends and family. Whether you prefer a rustic, natural look or something more modern and sleek, there are endless outdoor fire pit ideas to choose from. So, today I'm going to give you some most popular options to consider. Number one is stone fire pit. A stone fire pit is a classic option that can blend seamlessly with natural surroundings. Using stones of different shapes and sizes can create a more rustic and organic look, while a smooth, uniform stone design can be more modern and polished. Number two, metal fire pit. A metal fire pit can be a sleek and stylish option that adds a modern touch to your outdoor space. Materials such as stainless steel or copper can offer durability and withstand the elements while still looking elegant. Number three is gas fire pit. A gas fire pit offers convenience and ease of use with the flip of a switch. It can also be a cleaner option as there is no need to worry about ashes or smoke. Number four is portable fire pit. A portable fire pit can be a great option for those who have limited space or want to move their fire pit around the different locations in their backyard. They are also easy to store during the colder months. Number five is fire pit with seating. Incorporating seating into your fire pit design can make it a cozy or inviting space for guests. Options include built in benches, chairs, or even outdoor sofas. Number six is fire pit with water feature. Combining a fire pit with a water feature can create a beautiful and relaxing ambience in your outdoor space. A fire pit can be built alongside a pool or fountain. Water can be incorporated into the fire pit design itself. Number seven is fire pit with cooking features. A fire pit can also a functional cooking area, which with options such as built-in grill or rotisseries. This is a great option for those who love to entertain and cook outdoors. So, in conclusion, outdoor fire pits offers endless possibilities for creating a warm and inviting gathering space in your backyard. Whether you prefer a natural rustic look or something more modern or sleek, there is a fire pit designed to suit every taste and style. This is all about today's video. I hope so you like it. If you like our videos, subscribe our channel and hit the like button.